The weird psychology trick that makes you remember more, Zeigarnik Effect explained. Ever notice how you can't get that catchy song out of your head, but you totally blank on what you studied yesterday? Your brain is playing tricks on you, and today we're going to hack it right back. Meet the Zeigarnik Effect, your memory's secret superpower that's been hiding in plain sight. This mind-blowing psychological phenomenon explains why incomplete tasks stick in your brain like mental Velcro, while finished ones just disappear into the void. Picture this. You're binge-watching your favorite show, totally absorbed, when suddenly, cliffhanger. Your brain goes absolutely crazy, wanting to know what happens next. That restless, I need to know more feeling? That's the Zeigarnik Effect working overtime. Your mind literally cannot let go of unfinished business. Here's where it gets exciting for us learners. Russian psychologist Bluma Zeigarnik discovered that we remember interrupted tasks up to 90% better than completed ones. Your brain treats unfinished information like an open browser tab. It keeps running in the background, consuming mental energy until you close the loop. But here's the genius part. You can totally use this quirk to supercharge your studying. Instead of cramming entire chapters in one sitting, try the strategic interruption technique. Start reading a fascinating topic, then deliberately stop at the most interesting part. Leave that mental cliffhanger hanging. Your brain will obsess over filling in the gaps, making the information stick like crazy. Try the incomplete note method too. Write study notes, but intentionally leave some sections unfinished. Your mind will naturally want to complete the pattern, keeping that information actively cycling through your thoughts. It's like turning your brain into a 24/7 study machine. The Zeigarnik Effect also explains why breaking huge projects into smaller, unfinished chunks works so well. Each incomplete piece creates mental tension that drives you forward. Your brain literally won't let you rest until everything clicks into place. So next time you're studying, remember, incompleteness is your friend. Embrace those mental cliffhangers, lean into the beautiful frustration of unfinished knowledge, and watch your memory transform into an unstoppable learning machine. Your brain is already wired for this. You just need to know how to flip the switch. Ready to put the Zeigarnik Effect to work? Your future self will thank you for this game-changing study hack. Start now, leave things a little unfinished, and watch how your brain won't let you forget to come back and conquer it.